Sometimes, when using textures in Blender, the texture can get distorted. This happens whenever the UVs are not the same shape as the corresponding faces. The distortion is usually reduced when you add more geometry by adding cuts and edge loops. However, a simple trick that you can use is to add a subdiv modifier set to simple. Increase the subdivisions and you'll see that the texture no longer looks distorted. This way, in edit mode, you can see that the model is still low poly. In case you want to export the model as a low poly object, you can bake the texture, after which you'll no longer need the subdiv modifier for it to look good. If you like this tip, you'll also like the Blender Secrets ebook, with more than 1,000 pages and more on the way. By clicking on a topic in the index, you are transported to the relevant pages. And clicking on the link at the bottom of the page takes you back to the index of 400 plus topics. To see the corresponding video on a topic, simply click on the topic title. Updates are always free for customers both on Gumroad and Blender Market.